So it is Winter Storm Lucian, I believe is what they're calling it. And as you can see, those are my tire tracks from around 11 o'clock today.
I just stepped on them and covered them.
Okay, it started snowing right around 2:15, 2:20. You can see, maybe, see if you can see, buildup of ice on the power lines and everything. It is now 4:30, so this is just in 2 hours of how much snow we've gotten so far. So we'll check back in. We'll see how much we get. Well, it is now about 20 after 4. And it does not look like it's going to stop anytime soon. I feel ya. Well, I have no idea how good you guys will be able to see this, but I have not really left my house. This is the snow from the garage door. Built up. The plow just came. Oh, can't see that very well, can you? I don't know if I can turn a flash on. There you go. He just built the snow up. It is huge. There's my living room window back there. That's my kitchen window. Oh, gotta love it. Here's the moon. Yay!